guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are headed to the dog beach with the dogs. Austin quite loves the dog beach. He will just run and run and run and swim and fetch. He just loves it. Charlie, on the other hand, she hates life, but I take her anyway because it's good for her to get some socialization. And if I don't take her and I come home and she's missed out on going in the car or whatever, she is filthy. Like, she is angry. She hates me. She doesn't even look at me for like an hour or so. So I feel like I still have to take her even though she doesn't really enjoy it there. She just sits with me the whole time. But anyway, it's good to get her out of the house. So today we are going to the ALTONA dog beach. It's the closest one to me. It's about a half an hour drive away. So I'm just going to get the dogs organized and then we'll get in the car and we'll go. We're in the car ready to go. It's a beautiful day. Let me turn you guys around. It's an absolutely stunning day. So perfect beach weather for the dogs anyway. So let's go. Hopefully it'll be a good day. The beach that we go to is like a tidal beach. So the tide does come in and go out quite a lot. So I'm hoping it's out a bit today so it's a little bit deeper so Austin can actually swim. Last time we went there, it was super shallow because we went in the morning so the tide hadn't gone all the way out yet. So it was super shallow, but he did a lot of running. So let's see if it's deep enough for him to do a bit of swimming today. Seriously, already? Ready to go home? So we are back in the car, ready to go home. The kids are tired. Well, Austin's tired. Charlie's just eager to go home. She's not really a social butterfly. She prefers to be at home on the couch, just like her mum. So anyway, we are going to head home now, and that was our day at the dog beach. So we just got home. Austin literally slept the entire way. He just woke up because I stopped the car. And Charlie, oh my god, there's sand everywhere. The joys. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't anything too exciting, but as a dog owner, I'm always looking at like recommendations for dog beaches and dog parks. So I thought it could be fun to make a video for any other dog owners out there that are located in the Melbourne area who wanted to have a look at the ALTONA dog beach before making the trip there. As a whole, I would recommend the ALTONA dog beach. I do enjoy going there, but I do find that it is a lot better on the weekend. So usually we go on a Saturday or a Sunday, and it is packed full of people and dogs. So yeah, if you're gonna go, I definitely recommend going on the weekend if you want to have like other dogs for your dog to play with. But overall, it is a good place to take your dogs. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it probably isn't suited to everyone. If you're not a dog owner, you're probably not interested, but I thought it was just a fun thing to share with you guys. If you have any dog park or beach or anything to do with dog recommendations in the Melbourne area, I am all ears. I'm always looking for new places to take the dogs, especially Austin, because he has so much energy. And to be honest, I don't know, I don't like walking him because I just don't feel safe. And as bad as that sounds, like I just hate walking him by myself. Like in saying that, I've never ever had any issues when I've been walking him, but I don't know, I just feel a little bit unsafe walking him by myself. So I do prefer to go to like a dog beach or a dog park to get his exercise in if I can. But as I said, if you guys have any recommendations of dog beaches or dog parks, please let me know. I am all ears, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.